This is the Sea of Galilee. "21 kilometers long, 13 kilometers wide. And yet, for 2 billion Christians, one of the most significant bodies of water on Earth. Jesus began his ministry right here. He called his first disciples fishermen from these very shores. Standing here, it is impossible not to feel the weight of that. A few kilometers north, Capernaum, the town Jesus called home. The ruins of the synagogue where he taught still stand. Every group we bring here pauses. There are no words, just the water, the hills, and something that feels very close to the presence that was here 2,000 years ago.
Plan your next pilgrimage to the Holy Land with Emmanuel Tours today.